Welcome to the essentim tutorial video Assay Procedures. Procedures are used to document specific work stops alongside your experiment. To access the procedures of an assay, you click on the Assay tile. In the Status tab of the assay, you can see the Procedure area. This area presents a selection of tiles we predefined to document distinct work steps alongside the cell cultivation process. For example, the incubation work step. Since you perform individual experiments in your laboratory, it might be necessary to create your own procedures. To create your own procedure, just click on the Settings button on the menu bar and select Procedures. This opens the Manage Procedures window showing all the predefined procedures. To create a new procedure, click on the button Create New Procedure. Enter a name and a description for the new procedure. There's also the option that the procedure asks for a note after it was completed. Edit the note placeholder for getting the right information about the specific outcome you want to document. Press Create to save the procedure. After the procedure was created, it is displayed under Common Procedures as well. You can also edit all the predefined procedures to fit your needs. Back to the Assay Status tab, the new procedure is now available. If we activate the procedure, the tile changes to green. If we stop it, we are asked about the outcome as defined before. Click Save to store the manual documentation of the work step with our individual procedure. Check our additional videos to learn more about the essentim web app, and thanks for watching.